Where are the bulldozers? Netizens ask after Agnipath Riot. The Agnipath Riots intensify as Nitish Kumar's deputy's home is attacked, and many parts of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh have witnessed protests over the new military recruitment policy. Riots have spread to BJP-ruled Haryana and Madhya Pradesh too. In Uttar Pradesh, a mob entered a railway station in Ballia this morning and set a train coach on fire, and also damaged railway station property before the police used force to disperse them. While the government defends the scheme, calling it transformative, the youth are furious. They declared they voted for Modi on his promises and he failed them. See this video.
मेरा नाम अक्षर रावत है।
अच्छा जी
जी
आज रोड शो किया है, धरना प्रदर्शन किया है, क्या है पूरा मामला?
टीओडी भारत सरकार ने जो नई एक कानूनी प्रणाली इंडियन आर्मी तीनों सेनाओं में जो लागू की है, इसका हम विरोध करते हैं। ये प्रणाली भारत सरकार में लागू नहीं होनी चाहिए। भारत सरकार ने हमसे हमारे आगे हाथ जोड़ जोड़कर 1 रैंक 1 पेंशन के नाम पर वोट मांगा था, और आज 9 रैंक 9 पेंशन का ड्रामा बनाकर हम युवाओं को बेरोजगारी में धकेल दिया है। हम ये तानाशाही नहीं सहेंगे।
आपकी मांग पूरी नहीं होती है तो क्या करेंगे?
हम दिल्ली तक जाएंगे, जान दे देंगे अगर नहीं पेंशन तो। जान करेंगे। हम सब यहाँ जिंदा लाश खड़े हुए हैं। हमारे ही दोस्त 62 जो आज तक अब तक जो हमें पता चली है 62 लोगों ने फांसी लगा ली है। अर्थी दो या वर्दी दो, वर्दी दो।
और दूसरी बात, हमारी अगर नहीं बात माने हम यहाँ से रोड से उठाएंगे नहीं, चाहे आज हटाओ चाहे कल हम जाएंगे।
हम मरे हुए समान हैं। हमारी सांसें छीन ली गई हैं। छीन लो सांसें हमारी, फिर भी जिंदा है। भारत सरकार के इस फैसले पर हम शर्मिंदा हैं।
They directly attacked the police who were running away from them, and it was pointed out that had this been done by another community, they would be called anti-nationals and jihadis, and the videos would be circulating internationally as well.
प्रेम भागो, प्रेम हटो।
Mob set trains on fire in Hyderabad. Mob set trains on fire in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar this morning as the protests over the new military recruitment policy, Agnipath, entered the third consecutive day today. Ashok Swain said, "Imagine how many houses they would have bulldozed in India if this would have been done by protesting Muslims." The enraged youth feel cheated by PM Modi, who they voted for on his promise, 1 rank, 1 pension, but he broke this promise on announcing the Agnipath scheme and shattered their dreams.
The Agnipath scheme would only recruit them in the Indian Army for 4 years and then they would have to leave.
It is reported by journalist Naveen Kumar that one youth took his life after the news because he had been preparing his life to join the Indian Army and all his hopes crashed. Disparity between two communities will weaken India. What is striking many Indians is that while Muslims during their protests against Nupur Sharma's comments did not get as violent, though it was a case of stone pelting too, got their homes bulldozed down by the Yogi government in retaliatory rage, besides a lot of abuse by the online right-wingers, but here, nothing happened. A bright star shining through it all was renowned musician, Vishal Dadlani's comment in his warming attempt to build the breaking bridge between the Hindus and Muslims, and he said, "I want to say this to Indian Muslims on behalf of a majority of Indian Hindus. You are seen and heard, loved and treasured. Your pain is our pain. Your patriotism is not in question, your identity is not a threat to India or to anyone else's religion.
We are one nation, one family.